Nelson Chamisa has re-emerged onto the political stage, initiating discussions with Sadc to mediate between himself and President Emmerson Mnangagwa, aiming to resolve Zimbabwe's political polarization. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. In an announcement made during his address at the funeral of Petronella Mukwende, mother-in-law of the 2023 elections losing Chirumanzu South candidate Patrick Cheze, Chamisa emphasized unity, stating, "We are one, let us work together. This is why you realize that I'm making frantic efforts to call on Sadc to mediate the impasse with my relative Mnangagwa." Expressing profound concern over Zimbabweans seeking economic refuge abroad instead of contributing to their homeland's development, Chamisa underscored the direct state of the economy, stating, "The economy is in tatters and it is affecting every citizen. I am not talking about politics but the state of the economy." He continued, lamenting the exodus of Zimbabwean talent. "We cannot have our people working abroad. We can't have a productive workforce in foreign lands. We cannot have multitudes of people failing to work for their country because they are abroad. We want Zimbabweans to come back to their country and enjoy their country." This is today's news about Chamisa making a powerful comeback. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.